Y'all know how I feel. Sometimes you be in the middle of the store shopping and you have to readjust the wig. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. It's your girl Christina. I forgot my song. Hold on, let's try this again. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Happy Sunday. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope everybody had a great holiday. If you celebrate, if you don't, okay, I just hope you're doing well. So today we are talking about the sensational Sugar Baby. Sugar Baby. So in this video, I'm going to go show you guys how I just put this down. I'm going to talk to y'all in the outro. Before we get started, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button all the way up. Boop, 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 boop. Hit that bell all the way up. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started.
Yeah. Shoulder sideways, smack it in the clap, 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 like you don't care. Clap, 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 like you don't care. Clap, 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 like you don't care.
This cap is tight.
In the air, make it in the air. Way your hands I do, I put it in the air. Smack that, clap, 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 like you don't care. Clap, 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 like you don't care. Clap, 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 like you don't care. Clap, 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 like you don't care.
Guys, so we are back. We are done putting on Miss Sugar Baby. I feel like a sugar mama. Ooh, woo, we sugar mama. Ooh, ooh. What dance was that? That was like an old auntie dance. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit real quick up here on Sunday. I know y'all don't have time. I don't know what y'all was doing with your lives. So I have Miss Sugar Baby from Sensational. This is from the Curls and Kinks collection. I have the color number 2. This video is sponsored by WigTypes. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. This is from the Curls and Kinks collection. I'm not sure if you're not familiar with that collection. Sensational has a kinky textured collection with their wigs. This is a synthetic wig. This is supposed to mock your textured hair from 3B to 4C, okay? So this is definitely a textured unit. This is your yaki hair. Sensational has a whole bunch of them. I think I did a couple of them. I'll leave a playlist up there somewhere. This wig just comes with a basic lace part. It comes with 2 combs kind of right here. It comes with that basic cap construction. This wig has a lot of different colors. It has a lot of the money piece colors. So you get your face framing highlight colors, and it comes with, you know, your natural colors as well. But you got a lot of your money piece colors, which are your colors right in the front. This wig was very simple. I put it on my head, basically just cut that lace off. I did have to go in with a little bit of lace tint spray. The color of this lace, we know the color of these laces. You gotta tint it if you look like me. But if you're lighter than me, you might be okay. But it's okay. Just go ahead and tint the lace. Match it up with a little bit of lace tint spray or makeup, whatever you need to match it up to your complexion. Even though you are having that lace part, sometimes if you don't match it right here and all of that would show. How do I feel about this wig? This is a textured wig. This is definitely more of like your Kanekalon yaki wig. This is yaki, definitely yaki. So they did have a couple of these straight natural textured before. I think it was Alpha Woman and Elite Babe. They were really cute. This one right here feels like Kanekalon hair. You get your nice little curls, you get that part on the right side, and it's long. The part on this one is a little tight. I didn't go in and pluck this part. I feel like if you want to, you can pluck it out a little bit, but I just went in with a little bit of powder and it kind of brightened it up. This cap is actually pretty tight, okay? I wish that the cap was a little bit bigger. I have a 22 to 23, I think, more 23-inch head, okay? But this cap is very tight. It's tight on my head. It's a beautiful wig. I feel like it's more of like a picture wig to me. As far as the way it feels, it's soft, but it definitely is more of your Kanekalon fibers. And I really do wish that Sensational would have made these fibers a little bit softer. It's not too hard where it's like your hard Kanekalon fiber that as soon as fire goes next to it is gonna melt. No, I don't feel like it's hard like that, but I definitely feel that it is a little harder. It's not your premium synthetic fibers, but it definitely is a little harder to me. That's just how I feel. I did get some shedding with this unit. I wasn't too sure if it was the way I cut this lace. And as far as the hairline, this is no hairline on this wig. This is basically, to me, I feel like this is a picture wig. I feel like this is absolutely a picture wig. This is not my go-to everyday wig. This is one of those wigs that you wear for pictures. You know, it's holiday time coming up. You might need some pictures. Bam, put a wig on. You're gonna be okay. I did have to go in with some heat at the top here. I felt like it was a little humpy and I did have to flatten it out. There are some filler hairs in the top, which I wish that after we kind of tell Sensational that we don't like that they would have fixed that, but right now they are some filler hairs, so you do have to smooth it out a little bit to make it look more natural. I did go in with a wig grip, but because this wig is so tight, I don't know if y'all see, she's starting to slide back like she coming off my hairline. So you might have to be in the middle of Ralph's going like this with your wig, okay? She might be sliding back a little bit, but if you like the hairline look, then it's okay, it's gonna work. Maybe if you go in with a little bit of wig spray right here and secure it, she'll be okay. But I felt like my wig grip was secured, but she is really tight that she is kind of sliding. She's sliding. Y'all know how I feel. Sometimes you be in the middle of the store shopping and you have to readjust the wig. This might be what you have to do with this one. If you don't have good friends in your life that's going to tell you your wig is back here, you might have to randomly check to slide the wig down, okay? Because her cap is a little small. But overall, I think she's pretty. I think she's a look. I think she's beautiful. I don't know if y'all saw my pictures on Instagram. Make sure you follow Miss Khrissy on Instagram. And I mean, she'll give you looks. She definitely would give you looks. She's under $30. She's a good look. She's holiday to me. Not even holiday. I think she's just glam. She's a glam wig to me. This is the length. She's coming down just right above my boob. And then in the back. So overall, would I purchase this wig again? I didn't purchase this wig, so I don't think I would if I had a choice. But she's cute. She's under $30, guys, and she's affordable. She's a look, but you have to keep in mind what you're paying for. This is a synthetic wig, okay? So this is synthetic, and you have to keep in mind what you're paying for. If you're looking for a quick look every day, like I want to just go out maybe 1 or 2 days, bam, there you go. You got a good wig. You got a cute little wig. But if you're looking for long-term longevity, I'm not too sure how she's gonna hold up. Anyway, let me know what you guys are thinking about this wig. Let me know your thoughts. Drop me a comment. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also follow me on Instagram, y'all, because we trying to grow on Instagram, y'all. I'll be showing y'all the pictures on Instagram. I can show you how to look if you follow me on Instagram, Miss Khrissy, okay? Until next time, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.
Smack it.